to the Theresian Prime Time. This is Samiksha Tirki
And I'm Aparna Singh.
and we are here with St. Teresa's monthly Mileage, where we update you with the events held in the past 2 months here at St. Teresa School, Bhopal. St. Teresa's new academic session 24-25 kick-started on 15th of June after a long, chaotically tempered summer vacations.
Our new academic session was flagged off by the staff orientation on 15th June. The goal of the orientation was to improve interactive techniques and strategies and to foster innovative and effective teaching methods.
On 19th of June, the corridors of St. Teresa's were back to its usual hustle. We were welcomed by a special prayer service by Standard 12.
On 20th April, our kindergarten students enjoyed a fun-filled afternoon at the Summer Fiesta celebration, celebrating the arrival of summer in style. On 20th July, our kindergarten students had a splashing time celebrating Rainy Day.
Now, let's turn our focus to the celebration of International Yoga Day on 21st of June. This global event extends beyond physical exercise, promoting mental well-being and inner peace among students.
The chart making competition was an engaging event held on 22nd of June, aiming to foster creativity, innovation and impressive presentation skills among the students. 29th of June witnesses a career guidance program by the Unacademy Center, Bhopal, empowering students to make informed decisions about their future.
In an exciting culmination of civic engagement, our school recently held its annual student elections to mark a pivotal moment in student leadership and democracy within the school community. Over the past month, candidates representing various portfolios campaigned rigorously, canvassing classrooms and engaging peers. The elections held on the 1st of July saw an impressive voter turnout as students lined up to cast their votes.
School completed its 35th investiture ceremony with ACB Bipul Sharma as the chief guest, where student leaders took oath amidst masses, promising to uphold the values to lead with integrity, responsibility and compassion.
A group of students prepared to embark on a prestigious opportunity at the Universal Solidarity Movement program on the 18th of July till the 25th.
Fostering a love for reading, encouraging students to explore new worlds, the school organized a reading week in the first week of August.
On 13th of July, our school was buzzing with excitement for the celebration of Van Mahotsav. The event included our Theresian family bringing potted plants as part of the national initiative by the central government of planting Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. Various competitions like the fancy dress competition for classes 1st and 2nd, jewelry making for 3rd to 5th, newspaper dressmaking for 6th to 8th, and paper bag making for classes 9th to 12th were organized to reflect on the benefits of greenery and eco-friendly activities. On the 6th of July, CISF Inspector Ashok Kumar led a vital fire safety workshop at our school. The session included practical demonstrations on using fire extinguishers, evacuation procedures, and emergency response, highlighting the importance of enhancing safety awareness among students and staff. Join us next time as we dive into the celebration of our loving grandparents and many more programs coming up. Till that time, stay informed and make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Also, feel free to visit our website for more information. This is the Theresian Prime Time signing off for now.